what's up, guys? So we're right here working on this project that has been going on for a while. For the guys at BTW, they're really good friends of ours, so they're actually going to be doing a roadside assistant. They're going to be going to your house, to your work. If you work at a hospital, this is going to work out really good for you. If you have a job from 8 to 5, 8 to 6, that you're not able to reach out or go to a tire shop, the actual tire shop comes to your house, to your job. So check it out. So they're gonna have the balancing machine, the machine to take your tires off, like right on the spot. You know, like you don't have to go to no tire shop no more. That tire shop actually goes to your house. I mean, if you run out of gas, if you lock your keys inside your car, they go to you. They're gonna unlock your car. So it's pretty much a project that they've been working on. They actually got it down to the point, like actually to the dot. Get ready for it, because they're gonna be going to your house, to your job. Feel free to reach out, give them a call, whatever need that you have when it comes to a car, they'll be more than glad to help you guys out. So.
Ok, friends, estamos con este carro, es un Datsun, el año no lo recuerdo, pero es un carro viejo, se hizo toda la restauración, se peló hasta el metal, como ven, para ver todos los detalles, estos detallitos, se va a detallar con palmo, se va a lijar y se va a primear como está primeado todo el carro, para después de ahí mandarlo a preparación y pintura.
What's up, everybody? Trans here. We just got back from picking up this van. We're now gonna jump it, unload it, let's get to it.
Mira acá los guys allá. Han de tener huelga los cabrones todos. Alright guys, so this truck right here, we've been married to it. Casi estamos casados con esta troca. We did an estimate of $70, almost $80,000. It was supposed to be a total loss. Sometimes it's weird. The insurance company didn't want to total it. It's a Ford F550. It's a work truck. It has a bed, like an electrical bed on it. I guess the electrical bed that was on there was like, it's worth like $500,000. It's worth more than the truck, so that's why it didn't total. We actually put a new frame, new cab. The only thing that's from this truck is suspension on the rear and the engine, but everything else is brand new on this truck. So sometimes it's weird how the insurance companies work. In this case, we've been working on this truck for almost 6 months. Is it really worth it? It's not, because in those 6 months, like right now we're knocking down like from 30 to 40 cars almost a week. So in this case, there's really no money in it, but unfortunately we gotta deliver it. We gotta treat it like any other car, return it into the customer. At this point, the company is unhappy because they want a brand new truck. We're unhappy as well, because we wanted it out. So now as the truck's almost done, it's been here for almost 8 months. So on this one, the customer and us, we're actually taking a loss on it. Us, because of the time that we've been here waiting on parts, and two, the customer, you know, they wanted a total loss. Unfortunately, the insurance stopped different. So what do we have to do? We had to finish it. Headaches. Right here we have a Ford F-150 single cab. I don't know how the wreck happened. I can't speak on the customer's behalf, but we're gonna put a new fender, a new door, and we're actually gonna change the skin. And this one, if you guys don't know, there's no welding involved. It's pretty much all rivets and glue. Yes, that's how a lot of the cars are nowadays, rivets and glue. All the panels are aluminum on it, so let me show you guys. If you guys don't know, this is pretty much what's gonna make us get the body lines back all over again. We have these screws right here, these stars, these ones come off. and you have to grind this thing down. These are rivets. We gotta grind them down and put the new panel. The new panel is gonna go on there, but this is what's gonna give us the actual measurement of where it goes. This right here and these ones, it's gonna actually line up with the new panel. So a lot of people are asking me, do I still have the purple truck? Do I still have my trucks and my cars? Yeah, I have all the cars. Making moves is actually at my house. I actually drove it to the C10 car show like 2 weeks ago here in town. And but it's actually been like a year and a half or 2 years that we hadn't even taken it out. We still have the orange truck. We still have all the Impalas. We still have all the cars. We don't have time lately to actually even take some time off to go drive our cars and enjoy them. Sarah, my wife, gets on me all the time like, why do I have all these cars and I don't drive them? But it feels good to know that you have them, so when you feel like driving them, you just go and turn it on. Sometimes, of course, we gotta hook up a battery charger to them. Some of them have battery tenders on them, but yeah, we still have making moves. So matter of fact, I might even drive it this weekend, who knows? Well, stay tuned, we'll take them all out one of these days.
You know what time it is? It's time for that B-roll. Oh, hey. Put some Mexican music on this time, baby.
Cómo me hacen reír. A los envidiosos les sale tanto verme sonreír. Les suele que tengo talento, también un buen porvenir. Y lo siento, yo les seguiré dando guerra hasta que llegue mi momento. He pasado muchas cosas, he tomado varios chingazos duros de esta vida loca. Como el rey Julio César Chávez me levanto, no hay de otra. Y la historia escribe el señor de allá arriba sin poner puntos ni comas. Hay cosas que si me hieren, la gente más cercana cambia con un poco de billetes. Se suben al piso más alto sin saber que un día pueden caer fuerte. Me duele porque yo siempre he sentido aprecio por ustedes.
Alright guys, thank you guys once again. As you guys can see, Sarah has a mess on her desk.
Hi, don't forget to subscribe.
She has a mess on her desk. We're closing the month. It's October 2nd. So we're billing everybody. So if you guys owe us money, make sure you guys send that check on the mail. Appreciate you guys once again for following us. And we'll see you guys in the next one.